Yeah, hello, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about Shaxi. Shaxi, this new app is really great. I really like it, and I'm, I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting to talk about it. Shaxi. Now, this is a new startup developed by Shatawale. Okay, so Shatawale is a dancer artist in Ghana, and he has really done a great job looking at how a musician could come up with an idea of making transportation very simple for even particularly African, and it's really great. It's really great. It's a good idea, and it's a good starting point. So what about Shaxi? What about Shaxi? Like, this app is really good, and a lot of people have been downloading it, and a lot of people have been talking about it. But today, I'm here to have a review, a brand new view of what Shaxi is, what Shaxi actually means. All right, so guys, when you visit their website, it's just shaxi.com.gh. There's it. Sorry, what am I trying to do here? All right, so this is it, shaxi.com.gh, and it's really, and this is their landing page, their websites that will take you to the mobile app. So this is their landing page, and it's really simple. Like you can see, there have been a lot of people talking about Shaxi, but their landing page is really good since it's an MVP. When you talk about MVP, that's the simplest software features you could start with, rather than you building the entire features of the mobile app. So this is really great. It's the starting point for Shatawale, and this is what we want. But there's been other apps that are trending now, like we have Bobo, we have the rest, even the one that is existing, like Uber. So these all are there. We have and Boots are also there, but Shaxi come with a different approach to how things should work. So I'm here to introduce you to Shaxi. All right, so it's very easy to, you can see from the website, they said easy to use, get a ride, the best price. And you can see they have some call outs here, said pick your destination, request a ride, meet your driver. So it just something like the Uber, right? Something like a mobile app to order a ride. So that's how it is. So you see why use Shaxi. It's very safe and convenient, and happy drivers, happy riders, always there for you. Meaning they have support system that is really backing up this mobile app. This is really great, and I think this is the best thing ever this year Shaxi has been able to invest in. And ride on demand, so that's it, and an easy way to get around. So if you feel like going to a party or something and you want to drive, I think Shaxi is also good. Even if you don't want to try bar boats and those things, but you can try Shaxi, and they said budget friendly options, so the price are kind of reduced. And also I linked the drivers also have this kind of like a smooth and very reasonable pricing in terms of charging them for using the mobile app. So the drivers are really happy about this, and I think that's why they are trying to sign up. It's really a great approach, and the business model is really good. So they say how it works. So you just download the app, request a ride, drive to the destination. That's very simple. So I think all these things can be gotten from the shaxi.com. So you can try it on your mobile phone or a website, and you are good to go. So they say get a Shaxi app today. So they say the Shaxi gives you the power to get where you want to go with access to different types of ride across Greater Accra. Wow. Okay, so I think that they've limited Shaxi to only Greater Accra. So they are kind of making sure that all Greater Accra is working well. Then they move to other region, and this MVP, they've started really well. Yeah, they've started really well. And there's the phone numbers. I don't know if Shatawale number is bad, but like yeah, but I don't think so. Yeah, so we have support@shaxi.com. Like we have the support at shaxigh.com, where you can send the email if you have any complaints or anything you want to do. But it's a 2020 project, and they launched it last year, 2021, and this is a really great app. This is a great starting point. I really like this app and the way they approach everything from driver's perspective to even delivering the application was so cool. And I learned this application was developed in Flutter, and the back end was in Laravel, the APIs. So this is great. This is great. This is really great app. And you can see is they didn't use any templates to develop it. They develop it from scratch, and it's really great. It's really great. So I'll find out some reviews on Shaxi when I visited Shaxi on Google Play. So I'm not on mobile phone, so I can't install the app, but you can see the pictures here. If you are trying to download it, you can see how it is. Hello Ricky, where to, and they are using the Google map, and it's really great. Google map is somehow accurate, so it can give you the best prices and so ever. Yeah, and you can see we have the Shaxi Pro, which is 33 cities. Where were they going into is 33 cities? Yeah, okay, that's great. And I think Shaxi is really concentrating on Accra, right? So as time goes on, they'll move to maybe other cities in Ghana. All right, but I want them to even cut across Ghana and then move to other countries, and really great. So I have some reviews here, and I want to read this review and try to explain as much as I could. All right, so let's give so this was from Eden Zinek. So he said, as one of the best transport service so far, had a ride to my workplace and everything went smoothly. Keep it up. So this is good. Someone has really tested it and it's really working, so why not? You can also try it, and it's really a good app. It's a really good app. So if you try, the more you try to use it, the more they see the bugs and they begin to resolve it, and the more people use it, the better the application becomes, because they'll be able to fix all the issues. So yeah, so nice app with nice interface, but I'm having problem with the verification. The OTP takes rather too long to be sent. For over 20 to 25 minutes I've been waiting to receive the OTP, but it's not coming through, and it's kind of frustrating. So let me explain this here. This is not from Shaxi app, right? So this is from a third-party service, I believe, because they've subscribed to these SMS providers, and if the SMS providers are really slow, that's when this kind of thing is going to happen. Yeah, so Shaxi could look into that and resolve it ASAP. I think by now everything has been resolved. Yeah, I think so. Everything has been resolved. So guys, you can leave a comments in the comment section below and talk about what are some of the challenges you are facing with the Shaxi app and your experience using it in the comments, and let me see what you have. Right, so I know it's a great app since it's coming from SM Boss himself. I just hope you work on the OTP as soon as possible, because I'm waiting for my code. All right, someone is waiting for his code, and they can't wait. So I think I saw this particular issue here, and I want to read it out and also explain something to you guys. Yes, great. I found this review. Let's see. Okay, so let's read it out. So they said this app is great, but there's a few glitches. The OTP delays during registration. Also, I'm in Nungwa and no driver was found when I tried to order a ride. All the same, this is a masterpiece. All right, so let me try to explain this, and it's quite really simple. What happened was they are kind of signing up the drivers, okay, and maybe there's not enough drivers. Maybe the drivers that are available are on a trip, so it will be very difficult for you to get it. But I think from what I've experienced so far is they are trying to conquer Accra, make sure that they sign up as much as drivers they could, so that this some of these issues can be resolved, because it's just a new app, it's just in the system. It's not like the other applications like Bolt and Uber where other drivers have signed up. I don't know the number of drivers, but they have some quite a number of drivers. So this is a issue, but let's give it 1 year and let's see. I think by now this thing should be resolved, and they should sign up as much drivers as they can to do that. So this is the review, guys. Let me see what you think about Shaxi app in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in another video. Thank you, guys.